So it's my final week here at the bridge, and I figured I would just give you a quick rundown of everything. So we've got a diagnostic screen on the left here. So this is a screen of the generator. Got another PC here which does like maintenance radios. Then you've got a security one which has all the cameras up there, and then this is the main press driving station. And so from this desk here, you can then walk out onto this balcony. So I don't actually know, obviously this is still a construction site. I don't know what this is actually going to look like at the end. So I'll be intrigued to see what this looks like in a few years. I guess in 1 year. So yeah, this is the top deck. There is actually a deck higher. So this is the view from the bridge deck. So you may have seen my other video already, but that's the wigwags. Those flash, red band pedestrian light, barriers. Pretty cool thing about these barriers is that if that was to fall down on your head, that would hit your head, and then you'd actually trigger the switch there. So once you trigger that switch, that would tell the control system that the barriers hit something and it's damaged. So it'd go back up, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so you've got like tail locks over there. That's a pin that goes in and out that holds the whole beam there down. Yeah, there's absolutely loads here. So this is what's known as the maintenance walkway. Walk, so like, I'm now underneath the bridge deck. You come under here, and then this leads out to the cylinder pit. So all the pipes that come up from the hydraulics come up this way, run into that dark, dingy corridor for like 150 meters. So that's 1 HP that way. Then another hydraulic power unit comes up this way and runs through the same dingy, dark corridor. Then you walkway, so this is the maintenance walkway, all through this hatch. And then that's the cylinder pit out there. So I'll walk along it. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. If I drop my phone, it's going in the river. I've got to duck my head for all of these. So the pipes come out. Yeah. And that's how you go down this little ladder hatch. And these are the cylinders up close. So that's the northern part of the bridge. And this is the cylinder pit. So we've got 2 hydraulic manifolds down there, plus 2 electrical panels down there on the wall. So yeah, and above me is the bridge deck. This is the main tank room, the main switch room, and then in through here, this is the main server room. So this is all the network servers for all the cameras, and everything else. That's their PCs. And this is like a maintenance storage room. So right now it's not in use, but. And then I need to open this door. So this is the side door into the hydraulics. The main pump room. It's the fire alarm panel. And these are the hydraulic tanks. You got some airflow here. So, don't know if there's anything interesting I can tell you. This is a cool motorized valve that we use to control the boost flow. This is a massive filter, outlet filter. These two pipes join the two tanks together so that they both tanks stay at the same level. There's our panels through here. So these are our main motor starting panels. There and there. We've got HMI. Yeah. This is probably my favourite thing that I've done in the 2 years I've been at oil gear. It's just such a cool panel. Hydraulic mimics. Electrical mimic. Generator. It's just so nice, honestly. And trends. So if I was to start, oh yeah, I can't start from here actually. We don't have controls on. We have to switch to maintenance mode. That's fine. So yeah, this is 432 kilowatt motors, 4 pumps, so in total 8. I think these can do like 7,700 litres per minute. It's just all really cool, impressive stuff. Accumulator. Yeah, alright, let's go into the LV room. Which is just, so these two panels get fed from the room next door. The comms room there, HPU room in here is the LV switch room. So this is where the two incoming feeds from the transformers outside, they then get fed next door to those motor starting panels. And then this is the main distribution board for the building, and also where all of our PLC controls are. We've got 1500 PLC. Look at this massive network switch. We've got a bunch of fiber connections here as well, so it's pretty cool really. I mean, all of these circuit breakers, they're all on the network, talking over Profinet, so we can read all of their data. Ah, interesting, the sprinkler pumps are turned on. So if there's a fire, they got two 400 amp sprinklers. So yeah, this is our LV room. And then next door to this is so on the other side of this wall is the generator. Forgot to mention, you might have heard me mention it before, but you've got 1600 amps feed in the floor here into here, which goes through this ACB and then feeds the panel. And then you've also got the generator, which can do 1600 amps, which comes on these cables here, down into here, and then that then feeds the whole panel as well. So across the way from the generator, we've got a UPS room. So you got a UPS switch here. So this is the batteries here. So we've got two of these rooms, so we've got a much larger battery next door. This is the battery here. Here you've got the input on this switch here, which is currently off. So that input is open. So this battery is not currently being charged from the main incoming supply. And then, so it's not currently being charged, and you've got the output, so the output is also off. So this UPS bypass switch there is on, so then the incoming feed just goes straight through there and an output. So if we want to turn the UPS on and use the UPS, we close this switch, open this switch, so turn it off, that opens, and then bring these two switches in, which is these two here, contactors, or isolators. Close those, and then now the building feeds the UPS and the UPS feeds the output. So if you lose the building supply, the UPS will keep feeding. And so this UPS feeds this little server here, and we've got a much bigger one next door. So this is the bigger UPS, so all of this is one massive, or many massive lead acid batteries. You got the same switch configuration there. And then you got this thing here, which is this really nice UPS controller. So there you can see currently our incoming is on, the UPS switch is on, it's supplying to the battery, and the battery is feeding the building. So right now, if I press this button and turn off the UPS, all the power in the building will go out. If I went and swapped these over, so close, open, close in the middle, then this bypass will be active and it'll just be feeding the building. It's pretty cool. So last but not least, we've got the generator panel, and then inside here, massive acoustic container to deaden the sound of the generator. We've got the generator inside here. There is actually provisions for a portable generator, so we're going to put another box on the wall, and then so you can bring a diesel truck out back. So if this one fails or needs maintenance, bring a diesel truck, park it outside, connect the cables into this box here, probably over there on the wall, and then that way you can feed the building from a truck as well. So probably have a dodgy floor there. So this is massive generator, so I'll show you from both sides. So there. Let me climb up there. So obviously you got air intake here through these sides, and then massive cooler blowing it outside the building that way. So I bet when you fire this up, you're gonna get a whole bunch of black smoke going. I don't know, I think this is a 6-cylinder engine, common generator. Did a video on that valve already. Take you around to the other side. I'll keep the light on actually. It's that way. So look, it's bespoke noise control engineering. So they, I guess, did all the acoustic sound deadening. There you go. That's the outside world. It's like the Bund oil. It's the 24-volt battery system. It's all pretty cool, really, isn't it? I mean, it's just incredible what engineers can do. And to think that 2 years ago I was in uni, and now I'm literally involved in every aspect of this. So my job today is to get this powered on. So I would assume the negative terminal has been disconnected, which that looks like that has been, yeah. So that's there. So what I'm going to do is, I think, connect the negative terminal, or just have a look. Is that, yeah, that's still connected. So I need to get the battery charger system, which is on 240 volts, connected just to this to charge this. That's what I'm working on today. Is that the alternator? Probably. Yeah. Anyway, it's really cool. Alright, I think that's what I need to show you, other than the actual bridge itself. Yeah. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Finally got the generator powered on. There's a screen for it. Pretty cool. Little battery charger. Currently charging at 10 amps. And it's got this really cool little display. Look forward to seeing that on. Current on each line, kilowatt, power factor, hertz, and then voltage on each line, AC. It's pretty cool, man. So on this you configure the outputs on the generator. Generator running, remote start. It's not in automatic, currently shut down. It's got a warning. So now I'm trying to wire in the Modbus. And so that's it for me. I'm now fully done at the bridge. I've started my new job. I haven't been at the bridge now for 3 weeks, so this is my last video until perhaps maybe once the bridge is opened, I'll drive down and fly across it, and I'll do a quick video there showing you guys the final thing. But yeah, this is it for me. It's been 8 months down there, and I'm glad I don't have to do the 6-hour drive anymore, but I'll certainly miss it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and enjoy the bridge slowly going down.